Hello, DevOps and SRE aspirants. Thank you for subscribing to our Pro DevOps Journey channel to become a DevOps professional. In the previous video, I discussed on the history of the DevOps and how DevOps came into the existence. In this video, I am going to give clarity on the responsibilities of development teams and operations teams, and also the main intention to create this video is to help you guys to understand more about DevOps and site reliability engineering. First, let me discuss the responsibilities of software development teams. In the software development lifecycle, after requirements gathering, developers analyze the requirements and reach out to business analysts if there are any queries. Once developers complete the analysis of requirements, they write the code, run unit tests to validate the code, and deploy it to the development or the test environment to check if each requirement meets the acceptance criteria or not. Also, they perform code quality and vulnerability checks against written code. Developers work to understand the architecture of the products. They adjust and enhance the current software available on the market. Now we will see what tech stack the developers use to implement the code. Code editors such as Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, and Spring Tool Suite are used by developers to write the code. Git and SVN are source code management systems that are used to track changes to application code and allow teams to collaborate on the same application at the same time. For front-end development, they use the languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts. For backend development, they use Java, Python, and .NET. SQL and Oracle databases are used to store and retrieve the client data. In this slide, I am going to talk about the responsibilities of operations teams. The ops teams make sure that software systems are up and running all times. They are in charge of promoting and deploying the code to real world. The ops teams works on managing and configuring the servers and networks. Additionally, they are in charge of security updates, fixes, and system upgrades. Operations teams respond to technical and security concerns before they become significant issues by using automated processes and monitoring technologies. Additionally, IT operations personnel guarantee that systems can scale to meet rising and future product demand. The operations teams plays a key role in software disaster recovery and business continuity plans. They plan, simulate, and try to predict the impact of a disaster event and reduce its effect on the product availability. The tech stacks that operations team use to maintain software without any downtime are as follows. Operations team use Ansible for configuration management and deployment automation, and Terraform for automating infrastructure provisioning. They use Grafana and Prometheus for monitoring, Opsgenie and PagerDuty used for alerting and responding to incidents immediately. They use CA Service Desk or ServiceNow for incident and change management. That's it, guys. In the following videos, I will talk about responsibilities of a DevOps engineer and an introduction to site reliability engineering and the responsibilities of site reliability engineer. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and click on the bell icon to get the notifications on upcoming videos. Thank you and see you again. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you require any support in becoming a DevOps or SRE professionals.